Top, which is the lip, and the bottom has no lip. Get your side pieces and just simply slide them in. This is best to do on top of a table. This is your locking system. Identify that, that'll go in later. Slide your next piece in on the side. They should stand up by themselves once the pieces are in. There's enough support there. That's your top with a lock in it. These are your locking pieces that go inside. Again, just identify them. Identify your bottom piece and slot it into the bottom. Make sure all the little latches are latched together. Then get your locking pin on the bottom. Slide it in and make sure again that it catches onto the side pins and locks in. That's the side pins there. Run a knife across the bottom, because sometimes the paint stops it. Sometimes there's a few little bent parts, just straighten them out. Lift up the top section by using a runner. That gets it off the carpet. Identify your top with a lock at the front. Be very careful to make sure all the pieces are on the outside. Slide everything together, locking it in. Just stand the unit up. It should be all locked together now. Get your locking piece for the top. Position it and just gently lock it in position. Identify the top of your locking system. That slot fits in there. I found it easiest to use a butter knife just to support it. Slide it in behind the locking system, pull them through, and the little white guide should be on the outside and should slide up and down freely. Again, just line up your locking system. Identify your lock. That's the locking pin that goes behind. Push it through the hole. You'll see the flat and round ends of the lock. Get it in. It fits exactly. Get your locking pin behind and push it in forcefully. Now identify your drawers. That's your running system with a lock on the side. Flip it over and simply fold along the fold lines. Fold it up square. And now your other one. Make sure the locks are on the outside. Don't bend it the wrong way. Identify your backs and fronts. That's your front and this is your back. Slide the back in first, under all the lips. Line them all up carefully. Stand it on its end and just give it a good push down. Make sure everything locks in. Again, identify your front drawer. Make sure the bottom lip goes in. Once you get it in, slot it in. Lift the side up and slide it down, and then slide your little clips in. That's your drawer finished. Identify your runners. They lock into the side. That's your back. Put your back in first. You can only go in one way, and then push the two lugs at the front. Simply slot them in and push them down. Then do the other side, push it down. Put your drawers in, pull your runners right out. Make sure that lug, that white lug, goes over the running system or else it won't close properly. And then lock them in. The non-tilt system is a system where you can only open one drawer at a time. Even if the drawer's open by 1 centimetre, the other drawers won't open. It's to stop you opening 2 or 3 drawers at a time and tilting the whole drawer on top of you.